Alright, this is gonna be a real quick video because I was working on another video and I randomly came across this weird ass scenario with me. So this is gonna be a really quick one. I'm pretty sure you guys might have heard about Valorant being spyware and spying on your files. It was a pretty big fucking issue and there are like multiple Reddit threads, there are like multiple forums on this, and all of them just kind of theorize about it stealing your files or being a kernel level malware. Now that entire conversation comes around because of the fact that this is indeed a kernel level anti-cheat and it's always active in your system, no matter how many files you remove, no matter how many antiviruses, no matter how many malware you download, it's always going to be active in the background and you'll never know about it. Today I was messing around with my bootloader, so I used to have a dual booted Debian and a Windows 10. So I kind of like fucked up my Debian about 2 or 3 days ago. So I was trying to get rid of the bootloader files, the grub files as well. And while doing that, I kind of stumbled upon this weird partition that I have to show you guys. So right here you can see I have a single disk right now. That's the main SSD that my laptop is using. And I used to play Valorant like 2 or 3 years ago, and the Windows partition has not been reinstalled or upgraded or anything for a few years. In that time, I never really reset my Windows and never really did any kind of kernel scanning or anything like that. So ever since 2023, my Windows has been running the same version, the same files and everything. So today I was trying to clean up my grub bootloader because I kind of removed and bound the Debian partition. While doing that, I kind of stumbled upon this partition, which was the system partition. That's how you remove the grub bootloader. And when you go inside the system partition, I had to mount this partition as my P drive, so I can show you that as well. This one, there we go. I mounted this partition. This is basically all my boot files. So these are the files that are responsible for booting into Debian and Windows and all any operating system that you have installed. So this is what I stumbled upon, and after mounting this, I tried to list the files that were inside this. So there was an EFI folder inside this, and when you list the EFI folder, there's Microsoft, there's boot, and there's fucking Riot Cache. Now Riot Cache, okay, this is so fucking scary right now because this shit is literally inside my boot folder. So what this basically means is whenever I press the fucking button to turn on my laptop, or in other cases if you guys are using your desktops, when you turn on your desktop, when you click the button to turn it on, the fucking Riot client boots up. Like, it doesn't even fucking wait until you are inside Windows. It starts booting up instantly as you guys fucking click the power on button. Now this should be pretty obvious because it is indeed a kernel level anti-cheat, and it is like monitoring your files for any suspicious hacked clients that you might download. But oh my fucking god, this is insanity. Like, the last time I played Valorant was like in 2023. I can show you guys right now. I don't have Valorant. It's not fucking installed on my system. Last time I played Valorant was in 2023, early 2024. So it's been like more than a year. And this fucking whatever cache this is, it's been in my system for over a year in the fucking boot files. Okay, I don't fucking care how much you guys would want to debate to me that, oh, this is a kernel anti-cheat, it has to do it for security. No, the fuck, I never told it to fucking make a cache folder in my fucking bootloader files. I never did. I never permitted it to do that. And I'm not sure if anyone before me has discovered this, but this is so fucking messed up. Like, you can never find this shit unless you are doing what I am trying to do. I was just trying to remove the grub bootloader because I fucked up my Debian, and when I try to boot the mount the partition and check the files, that's what I fucking find. A fucking Riot cache data. And you guys might think like, what was the point? Like, why are you opening this in a command prompt window and trying to act all geeky and shit? I think anyone with like 2 brain cells who know how to mount a partition can find it. No, you can't, because boot partition is fucking secured. No matter how many fucking permissions you have, no matter how many fucking admin permissions you have, you cannot go inside the boot fucking partition unless you're using command prompt for some reason. I think that's for security purposes. I'm pretty sure you can find a way around it, but I'm not really sure. I'm not really aware of one that I can use right now. So according to me, any like normal casual Valorant player shouldn't have to worry about checking their bootloader after they have installed Valorant for a year now. This is like genuinely so fucking scary, and I've looked into this topic for like an hour now on the internet, and I didn't really find anyone talking about it, because like I don't know if you guys even know that this fucking Riot Client bootloader shit is also inside your boot files. Now this is, I don't even have fucking words for this. Like, even if this is a kernel level anti-cheat, I totally get that you guys are trying to like defend the way that, okay, the game has to be super competitive. You have to like combat cheaters in any way possible. This just fucking seems unnecessary. So I've played Roblox, I've played Fortnite, I've played almost any fucking game that you can think about. I've played GTA 5, I've played Call of Duty, I've played Rainbow Six Siege. All of those games are also fucking highly competitive. They have like a different types of anti-cheats, but no fucking anti-cheat have I found in my bootloader. It's just this one, the Riot cache data. It's just this one. There's no other fucking bootloader. There's no other fucking cache file in my fucking boot files. I don't get the point behind this entire fucking moderation, this entire fucking anti-cheat system. Like, what the fuck is the point between anything if you're trying to inject your Riot clients into the fucking boot files of a user? I'm totally fucking out of words on this. And okay, so me individually, I cannot do much about it because I am a random Indian living in the slums. But I'm pretty sure that most of you guys that are watching this video, at least someone from you guys, probably can do something about it. Because like, this is fucking insanity. A company doesn't have to fucking interfere with what the fuck my boot files, where the fuck my boot files are, and inject their own custom Riot client exe cache data into my fucking boot files. What is the point about fucking storing your cache files inside my boot file? Yeah, I guess that's it for this video. I'm so fucking traumatized. You guys cannot even comprehend that you are. Okay, just imagine this, right? One day you try to uninstall Debian from your system because you fucked it up somehow, and when you try to delete the fucking bootloader for it, I think it's grub. Yeah, it is grub. When you try to uninstall grub from your system, you mount the bootloader files partition, and when you check the partition, it has fucking Riot client files, bro. This is genuinely one of the fucking scariest moment I've had with my IT career so far. Yeah, I mean, I don't have words for this shit. This is so fucking insane. This isn't even like a directory, it's like a simple cache file, which makes it even more like, raises an even more of a why flag. Why the fuck would you store your cache files inside boot files? That's just fucking stupid. I will try to like open this file somehow and read the contents that are inside it. So I did kind of look into this file and I want to show you guys on video. So this is what the fuck is stored inside this file. Like, this fucking looks like they are trying to curse my system with some weird ass dark magic. Like, what the fuck is this symbol, bro? The fuck? I think that's a fucking those things that they bury people in. I don't know what they're called. I'm out of words. I'm really sorry. I'm out of words. What the fuck is it? Huh? These are fucking random ass words, like random ass characters. I don't think that's a valid cache file anymore. Cause a cache file has to be like fucking binaries and machine language. This is just fucking random bullshit Chinese characters if I have ever seen one. Can you translate this? The fuck, bro? To be really honest, to be really fucking honest, I think this is some just weird ass cache file that they're storing in your system bootloader files, and I don't even get the purpose of this, because if this were some anti-cheat file, I would still get the point behind storing this inside my boot file so that whenever I boot my system, this thing boots up. So anyways, I guess that's it for this video. If anyone of you know what the fuck this is and why the fuck was it in my fucking boot files, do let me fucking know, because I'm disturbed for life. I think now I'll never download Valorant again. I have genuinely zero fucking idea about what the fuck I just witnessed with my system. But if you guys do let me fucking know. I am so fucking traumatized with this shit. Yeah, so I guess that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and a big shout out to anyone that's gonna edit this video. I'm gonna link them in the description. I'm not sure who's gonna do that because I am definitely not doing it. Yeah, so anyone who's gonna edit this video, a big fucking shout out. Do check the description for their links. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you loved this fucking video. I don't know what it was all about, but yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video that I was working on initially. But oh my god, this just fucked up my mind so bad. Alright, see you guys. Riz, you're a fucking